All right, this is a 1994 Polaris 400 transmission, 4x4. I am going to assemble it and show you guys what you need to do. Hopefully I can do this without my dogs barking. All right, so first step is you got your shift fork. And this cluster of gears is your forward and reverse. There's a dog gear in here that spins up and down. Spins, locks in, that's what makes it drive. It's this way, spin, this one spins, that's the reverse. So hopefully you can see that. The first step, we put a little gear oil in there. Slip this in here, moves up and down, and then we're going to put that in the pan. But first, there's spring-loaded retaining clips in each one of these holes. You take a screwdriver, push it in. So as you're putting that together, it should pop in. But from what I see, it's going to be a little bit trick. Grab that. Now this little knob in here is going to go in here. That's your shift lever. Guide that kind of holds it in place. It's kind of a two-step process. You're lining that up while you're lining everything up in the holes. Set it in place. Here. I got that to slip into the retaining clip. Should shift just right. The next step would be grabbing this, and what I should do is put the chain on also. The chain will go around it. Dogs are playing in the background. Just gonna go over that. Okay, so I had to fight a little bit after I got your drive gears in, slip the chain over. This is still loose, and you can still kind of lift up on this at the same time. I had to wrap that around that gear. Now make sure these two gears at the bottom, they mesh up. Alright, now they're spinning. Got them in place. I'm just going to check this out, make sure this is up right. I'm in neutral. It's spinning in neutral like it should. So then you stick both them shafts into those little cups at the bottom of the pan like this. This is my old one. I had a crack in it. So the next step is grab this and make sure I'm going to put a little gear lube on there. Gear grease, and that is going to go into here. Then that bearing goes in that hole. There you go. Actually pretty easy. This next step is going to be low gear. That's going to go in there. Now my dog gear here is what broke. That's what this is. Mine is shattered and ended up in the pan. While you're disassembling everything, make sure you keep track of where your shims are. There's 2 shims that go in the front of this. One that's going to go behind it. It's the dog gear. When it grabs, throws it low gear, it spins it, locks it. So that will go here. That's my dog barking again. I'm going to assemble both these at the same time. And then make sure your shifter's up and it lines up with those 2 pins right here. And once again, they got that retaining clip, which I'm going to have to press in with the screwdriver. Hopefully I got it pressed in enough. That's locked in there. Alright, just snapped right in. Next up, grab your gear. If you have problems getting this on, you can just lift this up a little bit. Throw that in there. Now you notice you install this roller bearing afterwards. Alright, last step, take your bearings, put that over the top. I'm not going to slide it down because I got to lube it up. And then you're finished. Piece of cake, there's not much to it. Thanks for watching.